Hello, my name is Jason Hansman, and I'm 40 years old, born October 3rd, 1982. I'm watching some of my favorite stuff right now, and I have discovered how gravity works in physics. Now, the definition on Google says there's a mass of the Earth and it spins and it creates gravity. Well, there's a little bit more to it than that. We can use a wheel or we can use the Earth, anything circular to prove my theory. Now, everybody knows that the faster you travel through space, the slower you travel through time, like airline pilots, okay? Traveling fast, they age slower. Now, the outside of this wheel, as it spins, it's going to create gravity, okay, just like a bicycle, just like the Earth. We'll use a wheel here. Now, at the center of the wheel, you'll be pretty much stationary at the very center, okay? And as you move towards the outside of the wheel, this mass that composes this object, the wheel, is moving faster and faster. Now, we know in physics, the faster you travel, the slower you go. So if you're standing on the crust of the Earth, or if you're standing on the edge of this tire and it's moving, you should be staying in time in one place where all of the rest of this wheel are moving farther ahead of time. So these would disappear to you literally, unless we are stuck in a universe where harmony and time coalesce. And what we're going to have is an equal and opposite reaction. And for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. And energy can either be gained or destroyed, okay? So stopping these, they say, one of the definitions they currently have, they say there are graviton particles in there. Now, they might have something to do with this, but they might not be. They might be actually what holds these items in our reality without them traveling, a piece traveling into time and this piece staying in this time. So what is caused here, to get to the base of this, as this travels, your particles are going to want to go through time at a different rate. So what you're caused with is a tear in space caused by time. And the equal and opposite reaction you get is a wave. And it's a gravity wave that will pull you down. Actually, you're going to have a gravity wave all the way around this spoke, okay? And it's going to be pushing down, okay? And it's going to be flipping. If you take a side angle here, I'm pretty sure this can be explained. So this is the outside where gravity is being pointed down all the way around. And here's your center right here. So what you're going to get is kind of a bubble where the gravity goes back in here on both sides. So you'll have equal force down over the whole rim, and equal force right here, which will give you a bar, which gives you your balance on a bicycle. Now, on our planet Earth, spins on an axis. Here's your center. Say it's spinning this way, you know what I mean? Like boom, boom, boom. And as the Earth spins, the rotation comes around this way, right? The center of the Earth, if you were to go to the center, is staying in one place in time, or moving through time at a regular rate. But if you're on the crust, you're moving much, much faster than the center of the Earth. Therefore, you're moving slower through time. So what you're getting through this distance is a tear or pressure or stress on what composes the space we live in, not just the air we breathe, but literally dark matters and all of these particles and things we don't understand yet is what's composing this. So that's what causes gravity, is the difference in time an object will experience as it ages through the moment, as it spins, and as it's moving at different rates. You get a pulling force, which we call gravity, and that's how gravity is created.